Hey guys, happy Halloween week. These are my favorite, so I think I have to just wear these for the rest of the month, okay? Okay, I just have one really awesome thing. I've used this a ton. My family hates it, pretty sure. My little kids are okay with it, but I love it. Okay, there's a website, and I know I've seen a couple other people share this, but I needed to share it so that I knew that I did my duty as like a Disneyland crazy person. So, there is a website that is Sounds of Disneyland, and some of them you choose. Okay, I want this to play. So, back to my phone, guys. Sorry. If I put it in front of my face, I think it's clear. So it gives you all the different areas or different rides. So you can get like the stuff that plays in the background at Adventureland or Tomorrowland. There's California Adventure stuff. Oh yeah, look, there's the holiday. It's a Small World. But some of these actually have, I think they're called like the ride through or the float through. And it is the little literal ride with the announcer and everything. Let me go back here. So we choose Pirates of the Caribbean. We scroll through and scroll down. And down here we have the float through, and there's two versions. I don't know the difference. But you get the cool announcer and everything. And then you have a bunch of all the separate ones, just the different sound effects, the different songs that play through. The bird at the beginning. And they're the full like loop, so it's longer than the normal ride. This ride through is like 13 minutes, 22 minutes. I'm gonna get the little announcer guy. It's the full thing. You get the cannons. And my favorite line is in that one. Is when the little old lady is yelling at her husband, Carlos, who's being lowered in and out of the well, and she says, "Don't tell them, Carlos, don't be chicken." But I don't think it's on here. They don't have that part. Anyway, you need to check it out. It's Disneyland on your phone anytime you want. It's run through the...
Safe voyage. Be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children. And remember, no flash pictures. Now off with you. Bienvenidos, marineros. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
You can, the train, the monorail, so Pirates, obviously. What else? Center? It's a Small World. Country Bear Jamboree. Club 33. You can do Indiana Jones all the way through. You can do Splash Mountain all the way through. So, I mean, if you're like a fanatic, you lay in your bed and listen to the music and close your eyes, and you're there. The little creaky guy rocking on the porch when you're passing the restaurant. I love it. So anyway, I wanted to share, make sure everybody has access to this gloriousness. I don't know if it's available for other parks, and I'll have the website in my comments, but it's just soundsofdisneyland.com. So you're welcome.